Hey guys, this is Amit from Gadget Zone, and today we are gonna have a look at the Intex Aqua Lance 3G. So let's have a look at the box first. So the price of the device is mentioned to be 5190, but actually in market you could get this device for around 4500 rupees. So that's really cheap for an Android device, right? And now let's open up the box and see what's inside. So here is a simple USB charger, and these are the in-ear earphones which I have tested, and these have a really decent sound quality. And these are a normal USB charging cable. This is the special apps manual. This is given in this box because guys, Intex has given you various set of special apps like the online software update, Matrabhasha, Opera Mini, and so. And these apps are pre-installed in the device, and this is actually a guide to use those apps. And this is the user manual. You can swipe through it if you are not friendly with using an Android device previously. Here's the warranty card, and then you have a screen guard of this device, which is absolutely free with the first box, and a really hard back panel, or you could actually use it as a back cover. Okay, so keeping these things aside, let's have a look at the device itself. Okay, so the device features a 5-inch HD display, and on the back the device has a texturized rubber finish which feels really premium and good to hold in hand. On the back you could see the 5 megapixel camera with dual LED flash and the Intex logo. On the front there is the 2 megapixel snapper which you can use to take your selfies. On the bottom there is nothing. On the left end there is nothing as well. On the top there is the USB port as well as the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right there are the volume rocker keys and the power on off button. So now let's have a look at what the device features. Okay, so now the device is basically running on Android 5.0. So the device is still running on the Android 5.1, that is the Lollipop version, but Intex has promised that soon it will be bringing Marshmallow for this device. So we hope that Marshmallow version of Android comes soon for this device and the users get an even better experience. The device runs on 1 GB of RAM along with 8 GB of internal storage, and apart from this 8 GB of internal storage, you will be able to expand your storage up to 32 gigabytes by inserting an micro SD card. The camera quality of the device is pretty decent at this price point, and it focuses really quick. Like, let's take a shot with this device. Okay, so here you can see that we tried focusing on this point, and yeah, so the camera quality of the device, as you can see, is really good, and it goes and goes on zooming. So there is no blur in the image or anything. So the camera quality is excellent, I would say, at this price point, and that too with a 5 megapixel camera. The device also has a really special thing for you guys at this time, and that is the device has a really big 3500 mAh battery that would actually last around 1.5 days to 2 days on the basis of your daily usage. So the device is actually a pretty good one for you if you are a person who's first time introduced to Android world and needs to get an experience of an Android device, or basically you are a student or you are a new employee in the company and you wish to buy a new device in a budget range that would have all the basic features of Android and would have really good looks as well. So that's all, guys. Do subscribe the red button below if you like this video, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Signing off, Amit Kumar, Gadget Zone.